Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Cambridge Girl. Today, we will be studying about the plant cell, its organelles, and their function. What we will be discussing today is plant cell and its organelles, function of different organelles, and some helpful tips. Do watch the video till end. A plant cell is like a tiny factory that works together with other plant cells to help the plant grow and stay healthy. Just like a factory different departments for different tasks, a plant cell has different parts called organelles that each have a specific job to do. Nucleus. The nucleus is like the brain of the cell, containing genetic information in the form of DNA. It controls the cell's activities, such as growth and reproduction. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance that fills the cell, providing a medium for organelles to move around and carry out their functions. It also helps maintain the cell's shape and hold the organelles in place. Cell membrane. The cell membrane acts like a security guard, controlling what goes in and out of the cell. It allows nutrients to enter the cell and waste to exit, keeping the cell functioning properly. Note: whenever you write DNA, make sure all the letters are uppercase. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are found in the cytoplasm of the cell. Their function is to do protein synthesis, or making proteins. Mitochondria, aerobic respiration, the one which involves oxygen, take place in the mitochondria. Its main function is to release energy for chemical reactions. Cell wall. Think of the cell wall as the strong outer layer of the plant cell, providing structure and protection. It gives the plant cell its shape and helps support the plant as it grows. It is made up of cellulose.
You don't need to know about aerobic respiration at this level. Chloroplast. Chloroplasts are organelles responsible for photosynthesis, the process by which plants make their food using sunlight. Animal cells do not have chloroplasts, as they do not perform photosynthesis, vacuoles. Plant cells typically have a large central vacuole that stores water, nutrients, and waste products. This vacuole helps maintain turgor pressure, which gives plants their rigidity. You don't need to know about turgor pressure. Now the best part: helpful tips. If you are an IGCSE student, you are required to solve the past year papers, and for lower secondary, Cambridge provides progression tests each year for science, mathematics and English also as second language. In order to learn the organelles of plant cell, you should draw the diagram and learn it that way. By this you will not just learn names but also location of the organelles, which is generally asked in questions. Also, I will providing some practice question regarding the plant cell. Till then, please subscribe to my channel and help it grow. Thank you.
Hi guys,